Hello, party people. Hello, it's Randy for Thunder Horse Ascendant. I'm here today with project number 4 from Plumage. Plumage, which is Bargain Bead Box's July 2023 bead bundle. Bargain bead box, bead box. It's not a bundle. It's a box. It's a box. Okay. So anyway, we're here with project number 4. Super duper easy project. The quickest project you're probably going to see this time around, except for maybe the next one. So it's a pretty quick project, but it's going to be good because it's just earrings. But I've been working on this goal of mine for the next farmer's market. Look at this hair. What is happening? Oh, man. I've been working on this goal for the next farmer's market to make 200 new pairs of earrings. It's a whole thing. Anyways, this is going to be part of that. So let's jump down to the mat, get this part started. All right, guys, here we are on the mat. So this is project 4. This is just an idea. But we do have these beads pulled. This is like pretty general, just run-of-the-mill kind of drawing. But that's not the point, is it? No. The point is that we're going to make some cool earrings. I've been really excited about earrings recently. If you've been following along with us, maybe in the morning coffee or something, you have seen that I've been on a earring making jag because of this goal I have. So, here we go. I think I'm going to go this way. It's just kind of fun to set them up. Like I said, this is going to be super easy. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to first grab out a couple of ball head pins. And I'm going to put on this little filigree bead cap. So now, this is the first time I've been using the bead cap, so I'll show you. It's pretty fun. So once you get it on there like so, right, then you just push your bead. Okay, you drop the whole thing, you make sure it's durable. Then, should have done my finger exercises. Then, you just push this into the bead, like so. Does that not look super cool? Looks like it's part of the bead. This is a lapis bead. It looks like it's part of the bead. It looks like really more finished. I love it. So there's that. Now, we take this guy, we create a wire wrapped loop. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. There we go. We straighten all this up over here. Make sure this little loop is straight. If your loop is having problems, you can always, kind of readjust it here with this guy. And make sure the tail is tucked in. And ta-da! There we go. We have one. So I'm going to do the other one, just because I like to put this cap on there. It's fun. Okay, put it on there. Then push it in. Wrap it up. And fix all this business up here. That tail is a little bit long. I'm going to trim it. I'm going to try to trim it. That's better. Scooch it all in. Make sure this is straight. Adjust this. Ta-da. There we go. Now I have 2, right? These are just cute by themselves. They're just so cute. I can't take it. All right. All right. I am going to use this eye pin. I'm going to open this up. Put this charm on there. Close it. I'm going to bring in the coin bead. And let's go with one of these little crystals. And I'm just gonna wire wrap this up. So I'm gonna make sure to leave enough space, especially since I got a crystal on the top, to very carefully wire wrap this eye pin. Because sometimes if you wrap it too tight, or if you go in to tuck that tail and it's a little bit too close, you can crack your crystal, and you don't want that. And also, if you get a hold of this wire and with your plier, you gotta watch where you're putting your plier at, because you could possibly crack it. And that's all she wrote. I'm gonna put on the earring wire. Now I don't remember that, but I don't think they give us any earring wires in this round, which is fine. I have lots of earring wires, and I'm actually choosing to use a stainless steel earring wire at this particular moment in time. I'm going to use a 4mm. If you've been around this channel for a while, I put 2 different thicknesses of 4mm in this little box on accident. So, you know, take our time with it. Alright, there we go. I quite enjoy that. I got a stainless steel earring wire on here. We do have some of those on the website if you're interested. I do get them at Taylor's Falls. And there we go. Let me get the other one here. And I'll be right back. And there we go. They are done. They're so cute. Sometimes the simplest ones can be very cute as far as like the design and everything, because people will probably wear them, you know. They could be like a daily wearer, you know. They're in this shiny but blue colorway, so I like them a lot. I think I will whip up these guys here. I'm just going to I'm just going to make these very simple as well, because like I said, I do have that show coming up, and sometimes people don't like a large earring, but I was going to use these today, so I'm just going to go like this, and I'm literally just going to put this one bead on here and put it on an earring wire. Some people like a simpler, smaller, simpler earring like that, and I don't blame them. Especially maybe you have short hair. You know, I hear about that all the time, the short hair. I wear large earrings even when I have short hair, but some people don't feel comfortable with that. So I always like to offer a little bit of variety. And this will only just take us a little minute. They're already laying out here. That loop got way out of shape. Get all this straightened up. It's like my, it's almost like my ball peen. Oh, did I break it? It's almost like that one didn't want to make a circle for some reason. I don't know why. Anyway, so now I could use these as little earrings or I could use them as charms. But like I said, I think I'll just put them on some earring wires and have myself a lovely day. There we go. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. I know this one's pretty simple, but if you are enjoying the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, consider becoming a member of our channel. This time I'm going to ask a question. Let's see. What's my question going to be? Let me find some earrings for these. This time, what if we ask... Last time I asked about your colorway. This time I'm going to ask, do you like to make... What's your favorite to make? Bracelets, necklaces, or earrings? Do you like to make more of? I know some people who said that they don't even, sorry, I was looking for some 6mm ovals. I don't know, I don't have any down here in the antique silver. Maybe I took them upstairs. Some people were saying that they don't make earrings at all. I was like, what? That was my response. What? What you mean you don't make no earrings? And I don't know why, but I guess that's the thing. So I will ask again. Necklaces, earrings, or bracelets? My personal favorite, I think I kind of like them all. Kind of depends on what mood I'm in. But I do kind of like them all. I do like to make earrings. I will say there was a time when I never made earrings because I wasn't very good at loops and wraps and things. But making the earrings is what made me good at loops and wraps and things. So there's that. But I like to make earrings now. When I feel like I'm kind of in a funk, then I make earrings. So I guess I would say earrings. They're cute. And I really just like these beads. So they're cute. Anyways, you guys, I hope you're having a lovely day. Lovely beading day. A smashing beading day. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.